From time to time, guys, you want to exchange positions for two clips next to each other. You want this clip on the right to come to the left and the one on the left to come to the right. So you want to exchange their places. Well, the one way to do it is to move one clip out, move this one on the right, and then move this one back here. It's like playing with the Rubik's Cube. This is not the way to do it in Resolve 15. You have a very nice option here. Is swap clips towards left and swap clips towards the right. I would like to draw your attention to the word towards the left, not with the left clip. And the shortcut is Control-Shift, and Control-Shift period. Let's try this. Select this clip and use Control-Shift, If you are on the Mac, of course, it's going to be Command-Shift, Here you are. You notice how it has jumped to the left. If I now swap it to the right, it's going to move to the right. So it's pretty cool, guys, how to swap your clips next to each other. Let's try something else. You notice here I have the selection on both video 2 and video 1. Let's remove the auto select from video 1. Let's take this clip and then let's say we want to swap this clip to the position of this one. Well, actually, it's not going to happen. You have here a gap. You notice there is a gap here and there is a gap here. If you swap to the right, Control-Shift, or Command-Shift, on the Mac, you are swapping first with the gap. If we go to the right, here you are swapping with the gap first. So, first with the gap, then with the clip. Okay, that's how it goes. Of course, you cannot swap a gap. You notice you cannot swap a gap at all. I will undo that and bring this one just where it was. Let's put back the auto select on video 1. Now let's select this clip and see exactly what happens with the swap. The swap will affect video 1 and video 2 because they are both auto selected. Let's see how. Control-Shift, or Command-Shift, on the Mac, here you are swapping with the gap, but also V1, because it's auto-selected, has also swapped with the gap that was over here. You notice there was a small gap here. It does also the swapping. Here you are. Now let's swap to the right. Here you are. Notice it has swapped with the gap, but also it has swapped video 1 because it has been auto-selected, and really video 1 has been messed up. You need to come and adjust it. Cool, guys. So the best way to understand the swapping and to play with it, I really encourage you to come over and try to play with all the commands you have seen now so it can cement in your mind, and when you're doing your big video editing, you will remember them. We're going to do the assignment in the end of this section. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.